Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to talk a little bit about status 200 URLs, otherwise known as response codes or status codes. A status code, say 200, refers to a page that's accessible, which means that when you go to a web page such as our home page and you load this page, it is accessible. A good example of something that's not accessible, but to provide some contrast, if we were to try to go to a page that simply doesn't exist, on our site you get a page not found, and you also get to play with this, which can be quite addictive. So if you do decide to have a go with this, just beware you may lose some of your valuable time. So a status 200 URL is literally a URL that's accessible, and it could be a HTML page or an image or a CSS file. It's not limited to any particular type. It's just the number of URLs on your site that return a status code of 200. Now, if we go to the SEO auditing section and go to the Raptor project, which was the project that we were just in, go to the crawl data, you'll see have a range of tabs. At the moment, if you click the technical tab and scroll to the bottom, you'll see the number of 200 status codes, 300, 400, 500 and other. Status 200 being the accessible URLs of your site. If you click that, you'll go through to a page that shows you all of those URLs. You can choose the amount that you want to see at the top, and there's obviously pagination at the bottom. Obviously a lot of these here are JPEGs, but if we jump back to the site, what you'll see here again is the same data in terms of the status codes that are returned. We typically group other status codes other than 200 into just the 100 categories, just to make it easier to see. But again, you can drill down to that information and see more specific status codes if you want. If we navigate back to the reporting page and we click on the status 200 code number for the current crawl, we'll see all of the file types that these URLs are, as well as all of the status codes that they are as well. So that's everything about status 200 URLs that I think you need to know. Thanks for watching.